We're eating lunch without Lila. Kobe, where's Lila? Where's Lila? Where's Chiche? Muna Bindo. Muna Bindo. He wanted to see himself. Silly boy.
You see yourself? He's drinking 40 cha.
This stuff right here.
Oh no! Oh no!
Oh no! Oh no! You hear the fire truck?
His face is all wet.
Having fun drinking out of it. Put like this much.
I've never seen a kid get so happy over kimchi.
Sticker.
Oh, look at these cool stickers.
You want to color?
He doesn't want the stickers, he wants the color.
Okay, which one's yellow?
Where's yellow? Oh, they're all yellow.
No, I'll give up at the yellow one.
Can I have the yellow one? Papa yellow? Good
job.
boy.
Can I have green one? Can I have the green one?
You want my green?
Oh, this is blue.
Oh, you're coloring with two hands. Look at that. Effective.
Wow.
Good job.
Yellow.
Green.
Green. I don't think your hand's big enough. Oh. Here. Oh, here. Take one more. Oh. Wow. Look at that.
Wow.
Big bowl.
This is huge.
This is called Yusei. Yukajang. And I have a salon. Kobe's ready to eat.
He wants to see himself.
Oh, you want to see yourself, Kobe? Here. We're about to chow down, huh, Kobe? Kobe, are you hungry? Can you say I'm hungry? Kobe, can you say I'm hungry? Okay, here's your favorite.
Okay, Kobe, go.
Okay, mom. Hot. Make sure you blow it. Too hot? Too hot? Okay, blow.
Okay.
Good.
Okay, good.
Kobe, are you full? Kobe Bao? Cheese. Kobe ate so much rice. He ate probably one whole serving by himself. So Michelle and I had to share one, which is fine. We don't need that much rice in our lives, right? But yeah, the waitresses were having fun with him. They thought he was so cute. But he's so shy. He's like a pandemic baby. He is a pandemic. He's a COVID baby. And I guess he's just not used to being around people. And he's just like, he's staring from a distance. But then every time they got close, he turned away and be all shy. Why are you so shy, huh? Those waitresses were digging you. Michelle ordered some boba or bubble milk tea, depending on where you're from, and we are about to go pick up Lila from school. And we're actually near my school where I used to teach at, so it's kind of like nostalgic for me to see some of the places. Like there's Jack in the Box right there, and then over there is Albertsons, but that's where I would go and get Starbucks like almost every day, and I would always get chicken wings from Albertsons for my lunch because I never brought a lunch. Also, I would come to this boba place and get their popcorn chicken because their popcorn chicken is so good. Amma? Oh, we got the goods. Who's home from school?
Lila!
Lila's home from school. And Kobe's taking a nap. So now we get to spend time with Lila.
Now, when I finish my iPad, I'm going to play Barbies.
iPad.
We don't let her watch iPad, no.
Hey!
Just kidding. We do.
And I got some chips. I'm going to get blueberries after.
Chips and blueberries. Snacks of champions. You.
I'm going to bring my iPad.
Okay, while you do that, me and Michelle have some stuff to do, huh?
Clean the entire house. Our house is just not big enough for all of us. I think the problem is we just have too much stuff.
Yeah, so I'm gonna try to clear out clothes that I may not wear anymore.
Mommy! We're twinsies.
Just
We are twinsies.
not sad about. If it doesn't bring me joy, it's going away. No joy,
Daddy,
throw away.
for the vlog that I have a new bed because I'm sleeping on myself.
Yeah, she sleeps by herself for like 2 hours.
Progress.
Progress, I know. Let's go show the vlog your bed. Come on, let's take them to your bed. And this is your bed, right next to our bed. Your bed. Yeah. What do you do when you wake up, Lila? Where do you go?
On the bed.
You go on whose bed?
Our bed.
Yeah. So it is progress. Before she would have to sleep next to us. Now she sleeps by herself. And then she jumps on our bed when she wakes up. Hey, tonight you stay in your bed, okay?
What?
Tonight you don't come up to our bed, okay?
Okay.
Yeah, okay. Let's see.
Another day I stayed in my bed. Like one day.
Yeah.
Maybe tomorrow maybe today I can do it. Wait.
So we're going to try to clear up a lot of stuff. A lot of my stuff. And see if we can make our little house a little bit more clutter-free.
It's our new house up.
I'm trying not to show you too much of the room because it's just disgusting. It's all filthy. Well, not filthy. It's just clean clothes everywhere.
Whole time you're on.
Alright, so here are your snacks. You have blueberries
Chips.
and Doritos.
Chips!
Such good snacks. Okay, so my plan today is to take out all my old clothes or clothes that I don't wear anymore or clothes that will not bring me joy. Just get rid of it, donate it, and move on. Try to save some more room up in here, but it's all a challenge because we have such a tiny space. This is our room.
Don't look at it!
There's so much. How did we fit all these clothes in here? This is ridiculous. It's not even all of it. It's just maybe half or a quarter of it. I'm not even sure. Well, all this is mine right now.
Yeah.
Imagine if yours was out. Yeah, so I'm just gonna try to put like my winter clothes in here. Jackets and stuff that I really don't wear. It doesn't even get that cold here. And like just have like a pile to donate.
Vlog, you want to see my jewelry?
Okay, let's show the vlog your jewelry.
So what?
Wow, that's a lot of jewelry. Wow, look at your necklace.
This is what Henry Mo got me.
Okay.
And my ring.
Oh my god. So much jewelry, baby. Okay, so I completed most of it. Did as much as I could. Take a look. I have all my shoes here and up here. It's like I don't know what to do with these shoe boxes and all these shoes. And then my clothes, you can't really tell, but I took a lot out and I'm giving away a ton of my old clothes. A lot of it. I have a big trash bag. It's right here. This is mine. This is Michelle's, and we're just giving them away. We don't need them, and trying to clear up more space.
Kobe's in trouble, vlog.
What did Kobe do?
When I went on the slide, I'll show you where he went. And then I stopped my feet like this. But Kobe wanted to do it so many times, but he was in trouble.
Okay, I don't know what happened. I was cleaning, but I think Kobe got in trouble. He got put in timeout. Bad boy. How is he?
Perfectly fine.
Do you even know what happened, Kobe?
Kobe, you're gonna listen to Mama?
Let's see.
You gonna listen to Oma?
Okay.
We got In-N-Out burgers, and man, we are eating good tonight. I think they messed up on our order though, because we didn't order this many burgers. But don't worry, Lila. We're gonna fix it so it tastes good, okay?
We only got 2 fries.
And we got our grilled cheese, but then they messed it up, and yeah, we'll make it good, okay, Lila? Don't worry. It's shadow time.
Vlog,
Lila, show us your dog. Where's your dog? Show us the dog, Shadow.
Can it bark?
There you go.
Can I tell you something? We're gonna have a movie night with popcorn.
Well, maybe popcorn.
He sees the shadow of the camera, and he's like,
Oh no!
Right there.
Who's ready for movie night? Yay!
A movie night. A movie night.
I can smell the popcorn. Huh. Oh, I thought Michelle was in here. But we microwaved up some popcorn. I'm not sure how much I'll eat, but
oh my goodness.
who knows?
Do they know that you ate 2 burgers?
I did no such thing.
And they're not cheeseburgers only. They're 3x2 and double.
No, just a single. But on the single cheeseburger, I only ate half the bun. What? Don't expose me like that. Okay, what movie are we watching?
Frozen.
We're watching Frozen. Okay, so we're gonna watch Frozen. So we're gonna end the vlog here. Can we say good night, vlog?
Good night, vlog. But can I tell you something, Ralph? On Saturday, we're gonna watch Wreck-It Ralph.
Oh, okay. We're gonna have more movie night. Okay, so we're just gonna watch half the movie tonight and then go to sleep. Kobe, can you say subscribe and like? Oh, good job. Oh, okay, you too. You're doing your foot thing too. Okay, bye.
Blueberry and Look.
I think this is Kobe's first time eating popcorn, huh? Is it good, Kobe? Yeah? Yeah, and blueberry. Oh, you got popcorn and blueberry.
Yeah, we spilled it.
Did you put blueberry in the popcorn? Oh my god. What an interesting combination.